Welcome back to JCR Garage, and this time I'm going to be telling you a massive secret about how to become a successful automotive YouTuber. Now, what most people tell you you need to have in order to become a successful automotive YouTuber is a car, like I'm in, and a camera, which I have one over there and one there. That's obvious. You can see me from both angles. Now, that is not all. That is what they say you need. But what you really need is something completely different. Well, you do still need a car and a camera, or maybe two, but you also need a few other things that they don't tell you about. For instance, you need one of these, a can of Monster. That is what every one of them drinks. Right, enough with the Monster. Now, that is what they tell you that you need, a car and a camera. But, as I've said, you also need a Monster. And any car won't do. I mean, you can't have something like this. This is a 77 Ford Granada. It is European, never sold in the States. No one over there would know what it is unless they've seen a YouTube video of it. Now, what you do need, because you could be rolling around in, say, a GT86, BRZ, Scion FRS, but what you do really need is a Lamborghini, or a Corvette, or a Camaro, or a Mustang, or a Mercedes, AMG, Audi, something or other. Something hypercar, something supercar, something fast, badass muscle car. Something that's just an old coupe from the 70s with a 2.3 V6 and absolutely no horsepower. Won't do. And not anything like that either, because that's a Toyota Hiace. Like I said, you need something that's not this. You need that Monster and you need a camera, but you don't need this. You need a better car, faster car, supercar, hypercar. That is what you need. And not a dimly lit parking garage with one car in it. Well, that is what you do need to become a successful automotive YouTuber. You need a Monster, cameras, and a supercar, hypercar, muscle car, sports car, but it needs to be a new one, not a 40-year-old Ford or something else. Oh, and yeah, you need to take gratuitous sips of your Monster energy drink. Also, hint that Monster needs to sponsor you because you drink so much Monster. It's not just that you need the Monster, the cameras, the supercar, sports car, whatever, but you also need a good-looking person for people to look at. Now, that could be yourself, it could be a girlfriend, boyfriend, sister, brother, whatever. It just needs to have a good-looking person in it. Now, on top of that, you also need pets. And these need preferably to be dogs. And you need to feature them in your vlogs as much as you can. Also, interact with them on video so people can see that you really care about them. And you need to set up a P.O. box so people can send you stuff to show on your channel. Now, this could be a great way for other people to figure out that, hey, I want to send you something so you can shout me out so I can get more publicity. So if anyone wants to send me things, well, let me know. You can preferably start with a new camera, because that one sucks. And also, you need to feature a lot of different cars. You can't just have the same car over and over and over and over and do the same old thing with it, or change up a few things with it and then do the same thing again. You can't do that. You need different things all the time. Go drag racing. Great. Break something, fix that thing, and go drag race it again. Or road race it. You can't do that. Or tear around mountain roads. You can't really do that either. Not with the same car. And also, if you can buy yourself a brand new car, hype that up as much as you can before you show it. Then we get to thumbnails. You need to make the most borderline deceitful thumbnails you can, and also titles, because you can't just go with "look at my new car." You need something along the lines of super expensive hypercar 2018 something or other, massive explosion, drag race, tire smoke, Lamborghini AMG Corvette, something. If you do this, you will become the next YouTube sensation in no time flat. You will put vehicle virgins in a shady place, probably over there. That's the shadiest corner of this parking garage. So he will show up there in about 5 minutes if you follow these tips. Now, if you like this video, find it amusing, or just plain old stupid, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what tips I forgot to mention. I'll see you later in the next video. Take care.